Have you ever wondered why we sweat? It might seem like a pesky and sometimes embarrassing bodily function, but in reality, sweating plays a crucial role in our body's daily operations. This fascinating process, known as perspiration, can be a true testament to the complexity of the human body. First off, what exactly is sweat? In its simplest form, sweat is a clear, odorless liquid that is primarily composed of water. It also contains small amounts of various other substances, such as salts, sugars, and urea. These components are all naturally present in your body, and their presence in sweat is simply your body's way of removing them from your system. Now, on to the process of how we secrete sweat. It begins in the sweat glands, which are tiny, coiled tubes located in the dermis, or the second layer of skin. These glands are activated when your body's internal temperature rises, signaling the need for cooling down. Once activated, the sweat glands release sweat onto the surface of the skin. This happens through a process called exocytosis, where the sweat gland cells secrete sweat by merging with the gland's membrane and then pushing the sweat out. It's a bit like squeezing a tube of toothpaste, but on a much smaller scale. So, why do some people sweat more than others? Well, this can depend on a variety of factors, such as genetics, body weight, and fitness level. Certain medical conditions and medications can also cause excessive sweating, a condition known as hyperhidrosis. If you find yourself sweating excessively or at inappropriate times, there are several treatments available. Antiperspirants, which contain compounds that block the sweat ducts, can be applied to the skin to reduce sweating. In more severe cases, a doctor may recommend treatments such as iontophoresis, Botox injections, or even surgery to remove or disable the sweat glands. Sweating, while often viewed as an inconvenience, is an essential bodily function that helps to regulate our body's temperature and remove waste products. It's a complex process that showcases the human body's intricate design and adaptability. So next time you find yourself breaking a sweat, remember, it's your body working hard to keep you cool and healthy. In conclusion, sweat is a clear, odorless liquid, primarily made up of water, that our bodies secrete to cool us down and remove waste. This process is activated by our body's internal temperature and involves the release of sweat onto the skin's surface by the sweat glands. Treatments for excessive sweating range from antiperspirants to surgery. So, while it may sometimes seem like a bother, sweating is a vital and fascinating part of our body's functionality.